So when it comes to bookkeeping, especially for tax purposes, we really only care about two things: income and expenses. Income is just money that people give to you, and expenses is the money that you give to other people. Bookkeeping is just the fancy term we use to describe the process of keeping track of those two things. Every month, you're going to look at your bank account and you're going to put things and all the different transactions into different buckets. If someone gave you money, you'll put it in the income bucket. If you bought some materials, you'll put it in the materials bucket. If you bought some software, you put it in the software bucket, so on and so forth. All you need to do is keep track of the amount of money in each bucket, which is what my template does automatically. Now, why do we care? In your case, it's so we can pay as little tax as legally possible. By keeping track of all the money you actually brought in, you can tell the IRS the exact amount that you made during the year, so they can't make up a higher number, which I've actually seen happen before. Plus, by keeping track of all the money that you spend in your business, the IRS can't tax you on any of that money because it's money that you already spent. Now, when it comes to actually translating this money in and money out stuff into taxes, that's what I'll go over in the next course when we actually start doing our tax return and all that fun stuff. But until then, in the next lesson, I'm going to help you guys get your custom bookkeeping template set up and help get your business organized. I'll see you then.